Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian Grey metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Carpathian Grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it, and when we open up the boot you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Also located within the boot is your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving to the rear seats, you have the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for a small children's car seat. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now this vehicle features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 7,961 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, which has everything you may need for any journey, included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what, along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information along with your terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, pairing with this with the off-road feature on the camera, helping on those off-road days even more. And of course you also have your 3D view, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.